Hello everyone. So if you wanna find hidden apps on your Android phone, here's how to do that. So let's imagine the situation: you're looking for your YouTube application, cannot find it on the home screen, cannot find it on the app screen, so maybe you accidentally hidden it. How do we treat this problem? Open up your settings. After that, we're gonna scroll down to our home screen tab. There we is. Let's open it up. After that, scroll down to the very bottom until you will locate your hide apps on home and app screens tab. Easy as that. So choose it, and here you'll see the list of the hidden apps. So in order to unhide those apps, simply tap on the minus on top of each of them, press done, and we should be good. So let's go back to our home screen, or we cannot see it on the home screen. All right, what about the app screen? Yep, it's right here. It's on our app screen. Easy as that. If you want to add up some applications to your hidden apps list, right? So let's open up our settings. Then scroll down to your home screen. Here, locate your hide apps on home and app screens. Locate the desired application. I'll hide the YouTube again. So choose it, simply press done, and that's it. As you see, they are nowhere to be found. So I really hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.